Okay, the emotional pressure cooker's hissing. Time to de-escalate. Diffuse the situation before it explodes. De-escalation is about reducing intensity and guiding things towards a calmer resolution. Think, emotional firefighter, putting out the flames. So, how do we do it? Well, start with active listening. Really hear the person. Pay attention to words, tone, body language. Nod, maintain eye contact, but don't stare them down. And summarize to show you're following them and hearing them out. Don't interrupt or jump to conclusions. Let them vent. Sometimes people just need to be heard. Then show empathy and validate feelings. Even if you disagree, validate emotions. Say things like, "I understand you're frustrated," or "sounds stressful." This defuses tension and shows you're not dismissing them. Communicate calmly. Keep your voice calm, even. Avoid defensiveness or raising your voice. Use I statements. Things like, "I'm feeling X because of Y," not "you always do Z." Focus on the problem, not the person. Steer towards solutions, not attacks. For instance, you'd want to ask, "How can I adjust my workload or get help from others to meet this deadline?" Not, "You're being unreasonable and you're totally out of touch with the realities of my workload." If things are heated, give space and time to cool down. Suggest, "Let's revisit this later." Emotions can then subside, leading to better conversations. If a decision's got to be made in the moment, it's often best to default to the person on whose shoulders responsibility will fall. But again, both parties should agree that we'll revisit this later. So at least there's the promise that the action taken will be examined and discussed later, and it helps to know who's going to be in the hot seat if the decision turned out to be a poor one. Remember also to set boundaries. Empathy is important, yes, but it also is there to set limits. Have a zero-tolerance approach to abuse and disrespect. You're allowed to state clearly, "I won't continue if this conversation isn't held with respect." And finally, know when to seek help. If it escalates beyond you, get back up. Seek out your supervisor, someone from HR, even security. Safety comes first. De-escalation isn't easy. It demands patience, self-control, and understanding. But mastering it saves major headaches down the line.